Okay, we're ready.
I'm gonna pour vinegar into it.
Okay.
And it's gonna erupt.
Alright. Okay, yeah, I'm going to just be really careful. Let's see what happens. Keep going. You have to keep pouring it until it keeps going. Keep pouring it. Wait, not too much. That's good. That's good. That's good. You see how it explodes? Yeah. Tell me why, if you pour vinegar in that, it explodes. Why would it keep fizzy like that?
Because vinegar and baking soda, if they come together, they explode because they're opposites.
They're opposites, right? One's a base and one's an acid, but we didn't talk about that quite yet, right? But they're just opposites. Does it smell?
Wow, yeah.
Smells like vinegar? Or does it just smell like...
Smells like vinegar. Oh!